Hello there guys and welcome to another unboxing. Yes, it's Andy here for GBTV and this unboxing has come, not gonna lie, a bit earlier than I thought it would do. This phone was meant to, yes, it is a phone. I mean, fair, you've got the title down there, so yes. This has arrived early. It's meant to come out on the 27th. It's currently the 22nd today, I think? Yes, so it's currently the 22nd and this has come early, so it is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Yes, I pre-ordered it and it's here. So it says Samsung on the side, we have the Z here, and this bottom bit here is black because that's the colour I've chose. So it's the colour matched box. Just show you what I've got. I've got 256 gig Phantom Black model, and yeah, we'll just get into it and see what we have, shall we? So, first of all, it is a super thin box because it does not come with a charger. Phones aren't coming with chargers anymore. That's fine. Because I've got plenty of USB chargers anyway, so we'll just grab a USB cable. So, open the box. First thing you see is the phone itself. I'll put this over to one side. Side note, yes, I have already opened this and I have already been playing around with it, but you know, I need to shoot an unboxing video. So there's the phone, and then you get a nice little pack here with the SIM ejection tool and quick start guide, the warranty card, and a USB-C to C cable. That's literally all you get is the phone and a cable. So they're definitely stretching a bit thin, especially when this phone, especially this like model, this one costs £1,049. That's how much this phone costs, especially in the 256 gig. Anyway, yes, £1,049 is how much this phone costs. So it's up there with the flagships. It's up there with the iPhone. Granted, it's not expensive as the iPhone, but it is up there. So we'll just get the plastic off. There we go, and we get that beautiful matte black finish of the Phantom Black. That is the main reason why I went with this colour, because of its matte black, and it doesn't pick up fingerprints as easily. You have, let me just fold it in half. Yes, it's a foldable phone. It's amazing. So push that away. So you have the cover screen here. It's four times larger than the previous cover screen. You've got your wide angle and your ultra wide angle lens here. There's no telephoto lens, but honestly, I didn't really use zoom that much, so I won't miss the telephoto lens. So yeah, around the back is just that beautiful matte black. You got your USB-C charging port there. You got your stereo speakers. You've got your fingerprint scanner and power button. You got your volume up and down buttons there, and then your SIM slot there. Got a nice hinge with the Samsung logo on it. And we're trying to get some good lighting, but you know, but yeah. So you got the Samsung logo there with the hinge, and let's open it up and we'll see the screen. So yeah, that is the screen. Yes, there is a crease. It is noticeable when the phone is off, and actually specifically when you're looking for it. But let me just turn it on. When there's content on the phone, you can barely notice it. I mean, if I run my finger over it, then yeah, I can feel it. But I'm sure with use, I will get used to it, and I won't notice it as much. So we'll just boot up the phone, and I have been using it for about an hour or so. There's the beautiful home screen. Let me just pop in my pin. And here we go. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I have got it set up already with all my apps that I had on my previous one, or rather I'm missing a few, but that's fine. And this is the main reason why I wanted this phone, because it is a gorgeous screen. Again, when it's on, you can barely tell the creases there. Again, unless you are looking for it or with the lights. But what I love about it is you can close it up, and then the cover display comes on. You can get this to be always on, which I have done. And yeah, you can swipe over to see your notifications, and then swipe down for toggling your sound. So you can have vibrate, you can have silent, or you can have loud. and then here you can toggle the brightness of the cover display. Swipe back up, swipe. But swiping up does nothing. You can swipe over to music, weather, say schedule, next alarm, Samsung Health, voice recorder. Or if you double tap the power button while it's closed, you get to the camera. For some reason it's not working right now. Double tap it. There we go, you get the camera. And that is what you guys look like right now. Yep, you're literally on a 3D print of my, and then my phone. You can swipe to get to video mode, you can swipe down to change to the wide angle. And if you just show your palm, actually, I should probably do it in photo mode. And if you just show your palm, it takes a photo for you. Let me just do that, isn't like that. See, so show your palm, and it takes a photo. And then when you flip it open, it opens to the camera app. Right now, you do have a camera here in the display. If you flip it to the outside screen, or rather the outer camera, you can get the camera there. And then this little button here, you tap that, you get the cover screen preview as well as the main preview on the phone. I am really impressed with this phone already. Granted, I have only had it for a few hours, so I can't give any proper in-depth review at the moment, but I'm going to be giving it about a week, 2 weeks with it, and see how I feel with it. And then I will come back to you guys with a full review. There will be another unboxing soon, because I have also pre-ordered the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So that will be another review coming up soon, or rather another unboxing, and then another review. But yeah, the age of flip phones, I reckon, is coming back. Let me know what you guys think of this phone. Or are there any other phones at all? What phone do you use? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you an iPhone? Are you an Android user? Are you a Samsung user? Because this is my first ever Samsung phone. And I'm going full on into the Samsung ecosystem with the Watch 4 active. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed, then hit that like button, get subscribed, ring the notification bell to be alerted when I next upload another video. And yeah, I've got nothing else to say other than I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.